is CES 2026 here in Las Vegas, where global tech giants unleash mind-blowing innovations to solve our toughest problems and shape the future. I'm here to spotlight the very best. Let's get started.
Hi everyone, this is Valentine and this is another day at the CES 2026 with Dreamy. So today I am gonna review all of their home-related products, and we are gonna see some robotic vacuums, we are gonna see some hairstyling tools. My hair definitely needed, my hair looks terrible today. We are gonna see some wet and dry cordless vacuum sticks, and we're gonna see some lawn mowers and some robotic pool cleaners. So this is gonna be an amazing day, an amazing review of a little bit of everything from Dreamy. Let's get started.
So first of all, Dreamy is all about turning dreams into reality with their intelligent, human-centric tech, from robot vacuums to outdoor gear. Their slogan is "All dreams in one Dreamy." Really captures it. They were founded back in 2017 as a leading tech incubator. They've grown into a global powerhouse with over 4,000 retail stores worldwide, focusing on premium fashion-forward tech that's seamless and user-friendly. Let's jump in and tour their massive exhibit. So I try to concentrate on more like home-related products, but they've got it all. They have everything from cleaning bots to smart home essentials. I'll give you the full scoop, the full tour, with a bit more love for their 5 core lines. So first off, Dreamy's booth is huge. It's like a mini smart home expo. They're showcasing a ton of different product lines that I didn't even know that they have that. So I will walk you through all of them for a balanced view. But we will zoom in on the highlights that are pushing boundaries in AI and automation. Let's start with the robot vacuum and mop line. This is one of their flagships, and as an engineer, I am geeking out over the tech right here. The most favorite one was the X60 Max Ultra Complete. It's got a huge 1.5 liters of self-cleaning station, and it works with AI-powered Omni light routing, which navigates in dark, and it is excellent. But I mean excellent in objects avoidance. So you can literally throw stuff in front of him, and immediately the same really like millisecond it will stop and go around it. Like, as you can see guys, we are doing here some tests with socks and with a toy dog, and it absolutely works awesome. Outside of that, it has a hyperforce section at 8000 PA and a quad brush system, which handles everything from pet hair to spills. Let's move on to the wet dry vacuum line, and this is another core one that's all about versatility. They have the newest Aero series, which are definitely stealing the show here. The Aero Pro is lightweight with 25,000 PA suctionability and a 60 minutes runtime. This is an all-in-one vacuuming and mopping system. It works with fresh water cleaning system, so you always have fresh. Right now you can see it cleaning easy peasy the ketchup from the floor, and it equipped with dual water tanks, so it ensures that fresh water is always used for mopping while dirty water is isolated. All that to prevent the cross-contamination and leave floors truly spotless. Now, the coolest thing about this one, it's a lightweight and it is ergonomically designed, so it's easy to lift this one, and it has an ultra slim body. It also, of course, has a one-touch self-clean button, and guys, it lay 180 degrees on the floor, so you can easily reach to the most like deepest and darkest places all around your house with the Aero Pro. Now, their cordless stick vacuum line is a lightweight powerhouses, and it's amazing for everyday use. So first of all guys, check out this Z30. It can lift literally a lot of weight. That's how powerful it is. The Z30 brings AI dirt detection for pet owners, and it's extra strong in a power suction. As you can see, it's freaking lifting weights. Now guys, let's talk about a technology in general that we are gonna see in 2026 at the cordless stick vacuums line from Dreamy. So all their cordless stick vacuums gonna have this technology. It's a general thing, so it is definitely a beast. So first of all, what we're gonna see is that they're gonna be super easy to fold, and you can just literally make it 100 degrees, lay flat on the floor with one touch, with one move. Then you can extend it, make it higher, lower, whatever works for you. And it's amazing in suction. Right now you can see how it sucked a lot of hair from the floor, and guys, immediately she stopped the vacuum, and see, there is no hair on the brush. All the hair was sucked inside of the dustbin, and right now I can show you there is literally no hair. We we are gonna take out the brush and I'm gonna show you how and why there is no hair in the brush. So it works with a Tangle Cut Dual Scraper technology. So it cuts hair for tangle-free cleaning. It is upgraded the soft roller brush, which replaces the traditional anti-tangle combs with a dual motorized resilient scrapers that actively cut hair during vacuuming, keeping the brush clear and eliminating the need for manual hair removal. You can touch it, it's safe, no problem. You can see right now me touching this. As you could see, guys, it works absolutely amazing. Another cool thing, it's the sensor. So this sensor works for edge cleaning. So once you come to the edge, the vacuum is gonna sense, hey, there is a wall, hey, it's an edge, and it's gonna extend itself to clean better and to be able to collect all the debris and all the dirt from even the most deepest and darkest edges and corners. Absolutely amazing technology. Honestly, this thing blew my mind away. I loved it. Next, guys, we are moving to the personal care. And I was lucky enough to get my hair done. It was so quick. It literally took her about 5 minutes to give me an amazing hair makeover. And guys, look how pretty do I look now with the hair done. So it's like a brush. You have a few different nozzles and you can switch between the nozzles, easy peasy. And you can make curls really quick. It's like kind of vacuuming your hair and you put it on and in seconds you will have beautiful curls. The entire process took this girl that did my hair about 5 minutes max maybe, and guys, you can see the result right now on your screens. It looks absolutely awesome. I love the result. I'm definitely gonna buy this one once it's gonna launch out. Another thing is that they have this pilot. This is an intelligent AI dryer for personalized hair drying and care. I love the design of this one. It looks so very cute and sleek. So I'm honestly just a fan of how it looks like. And of course, it works absolutely amazing. Now, guys, let's move to the smart outdoors. And we are gonna talk about lawnmowers that will bring the automation to your yard. So first of all, we got the A3 AWD Pro Series robotic lawnmower, which handles slopes up to 80% with a 3D mapping and amazing obstacle avoidance ability. And then we are having the most favorite one, the Apex. The Apex is a crazy robotic lawnmower that can organize your yard at the same time. So right now, guys, you can see it has this like paw, like a robotic arm, and it can do whatever you wish with this arm. So right now we can see it watering the plants, literally like watering your garden with this smart arm. How amazing is that? It's not just gonna mow your lawn, it's gonna take care of your entire garden. So I absolutely love this one. It's definitely blew me away. And now, guys, I'm gonna let one of Dreamy's representatives here on the CES to tell you all about this newest Z2 Ultra robotic pool cleaner. Here you go.
Hi, welcome to Dreamy Pool Cleaner. This is our flagship model this year. You can see this product is very big, and we use like AI camera and 3D laser, so it can build a very precision map in your pool. So make sure you will have the very precision cleaning experience. And also, we are the world first to use the 4 pump. With these pumps, you can move very stable even in the complex environment. So it can do the vertical walls, the pool bottom, and some steps. So it can move with like stability. Yeah. And this year we also have the station as the combo. So in the past, you need to take out the pool cleaner when you finish cleaning. But this year, it will directly go back to the station and auto charge. So it's very convenient and you don't have to do all the dirty works. So hope you will be our first user this year and like try our product.
Now, to me, the craziest part about this robot is the optional auto dock base station, the Z2 Pro. So once the Z2 will finish cleaning, it's gonna return to recharge itself automatically into the auto dock base station, which is located half inside your pool. So no need to take it out or to lift your robot out of the pool. It's gonna literally maintain itself, recharge itself, and keep on working as long as you want it to. To me, that's the most amazing tech I have seen this year at the CES. So there was a lot of products by Dreamy. I hope you ain't tired yet and you watched till the end. And if you did, well, thank you so much. Well, guys, Dreamy is really covering all bases at the CES this year, from cleaning to chilling. It's all about making life effortless with clever engineering. Now, as a tech reviewer, I am impressed by how they are blending AI with everyday needs. What do you think? Ready to upgrade your home? Let me know down below at the comments. Like if you're excited about robot vacs, and subscribe for more CES coverage. Thanks for watching, guys. And now, guys, I am happy to show you a little bit more from Dreamy in a vlog style. Let's get started.
At the Dreamy booth, and guys, there is literally no such a product they do not offer. They have it all, everything home related. They got you. Cameras, hairstyling, robotic vacuums, robotic pool cleaners, robotic lawn mowers, every single thing. Now, there's so many products that I just literally had no idea Dreamy are making as well. And I want to show you what they offer. So first of all, guys, how crazy. They are offering laundry and dryer. And they have so many different options right here, even like a laundry robot I saw. Let's keep on moving to the next spot. Dreamy also got you at the kitchen. They even offer a refrigerator. Smart steam tri-phase, like I don't even know what this is, but I guess it's gonna steam your food. Coffee machines, they are even offering TVs, which I had no idea Dreamy are making TVs. Look at the colors. Every color is so vibrant. You can see how it's changing and switching between the colors, between the pictures, and everything's so sharp and so vibrant. They care about your health as well. And this is an AI health ring with ECG. Let's see if it's gonna fit me. Yep, it honestly looks like a wedding ring. So if you're a guy and you're looking for a wedding ring, or you are tired of your current wedding ring, well, here's an idea. I'm not gonna steal that. I want to, but I won't. And this one is gonna track your sleeping. It works with AI, of course. So guys, that was actually it. I showed you a little bit on the tippy top of everything, of some Dreamy newest lines that we're gonna see here in the 2026 during the year. Some products are already available for sale. Some products are gonna launch during the year in Q1, Q2. I am gonna leave you all of the information down below at the description box to this video of mine. So you're welcome to go check it out. As well as I'm gonna pin it to be the very first comment at the comment section. So guys, please let me know which one of the products was your most favorite. Mine, I think, was the wet cleaner, because I'm a mom to a toddler and that's what bothered me the most, cleaning. So yeah, sorry, I am that basic. I truly love the wet dry cleaner by Dreamy. It has such a slim body design, and I absolutely love how lightweight it is and how well it cleans all the mess around. That's what I care about. Call me basic, no problem. Well, let me know down below at the comments which one of the products was your favorite and why, which one you are planning to buy, which one is already in your cart. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. Stay techy. I love you all. XOXO, Valentine.